Have you ever looked back at an old relationship and thought, wait, why did I ever like this person? Like your brain was on vacation and your heart was running the whole company. Yeah, same. So today, let's talk about why we fall for the wrong people, even when the red flags are waving like they're in a parade. First reason, familiar feels comfortable. Not safe, not healthy. Just familiar. If you grew up around drama, guess what feels normal to you? Drama. Your brain sees chaos and goes, ah, yes, I know this mess. That's why someone who ignores your text suddenly feels mysterious, while someone who replies on time feels boring. Congratulations, your trauma just chose your crush. Second reason, we confuse attention with connection. Someone gives you compliments, listens for 5 minutes, or remembers your birthday once, and your heart goes, this is my soulmate. Relax. That's basic human decency, not destiny. Then there's the fixer fantasy. We see someone emotionally unavailable and think, I can change them. No, you are not a therapist, you are not a life coach, and this is not a Netflix transformation montage. Another big reason, loneliness makes terrible decisions. When you're lonely, even a walking red flag starts looking pink. Your standards don't drop slowly, they jump off a cliff. And let's be honest, chemistry lies. Chemistry is that friend who hypes the worst person in the room. It says, yeah, they're toxic. But don't you feel the spark? Yeah, that spark? That's anxiety. The truth is, we don't fall for the wrong people because we're stupid. We fall because we're human, because we want love, because we want to feel chosen. But here's the plot twist. The right person often feels calm, not chaotic. Safe, not confusing. Clear, not confusing. You at 2 a.m. them. So next time you feel attracted to someone who gives you mixed signals, stress, and emotional cardio, pause. Ask yourself, do I like them? Or am I just used to this feeling? Sometimes the wrong person teaches us the right lesson, and sometimes the real glow-up is choosing peace over potential.